Hey everybody, Erica Davis here with Adventure Life Vans, and I'm here to give you a tour today of our 2022 Ford Transit High Roof 148 all-wheel drive with EcoBoost. So let's take a step inside and take a look.
I'm Nate Murphy, and I have literally just bought this van to show you how to build a van. We have made a really detailed course which will help you go from this to this. You will learn everything you need. We help you specify your electrical system, and you'll be able to access the community all building their own vans at the same time.
First thing I want to show you is our kitchen in our Ford Transit. Here we have our sink with hot water at the tap. This also turns to the outside to rinse anything off. And down below we have about 4 gallons of gray water storage. That's easy to empty. Right here we have our 1-burner induction cooktop. So you can run this here in the van or also outside on a table. Throughout the kitchen we have ample storage. We love using these cabinets for spices, coffee, canned goods. And then over here we have room for all of your linens, toiletries, and other living supplies. So we also have ample lower storage as well throughout the kitchen. So these nice deep drawers here. We love this drawer right here, nice and deep for all of your cooking supplies, dishes, pots and pans. And then one more drawer over here, which is great for silverware and knives. And then here we have our 65-liter fridge, which also includes a freezer. We also have additional storage here next to the passenger seating. We have 2 USB charging ports, additional storage for books, magazines, tablets, laptops, and then our WeBoost antenna. So the WeBoost is a cell phone reception booster. We'll show you the antenna on the actual roof as well, but this is great for when you're on the road and you want better cell phone reception for working remote or just to stay in touch. Next, we have our RedArc Red Vision. This is what you're going to use to manage all of your electrical in the van. This is also where you're going to turn on and off your water pump. You can hear that turning on there. Your WeBoost, which we mentioned earlier, to enhance your cell reception. You can check how much water you have in the freshwater tank. And then you can also see what your solar power is doing, how well it's charging, and how much power you're using throughout the day with all of your various components. And we have plenty of space here to prepare your food and entertain with this 1.5-inch butcher block. Right here we have both your step to get up onto the queen bed as well as your Laveo dry flush toilet. This is on a 500-pound locking slide. And then when that's not in use, you have a nice sturdy step to get up onto the bed. Here's our Fenton Mobility Bellagio 2-person passenger seating. It folds down really easily. And then right here we have our Ford factory swivels. We've tested out a lot of swivels and we really have found the Ford factory swivels to be not only the most stable but the easiest to use. It opens up a great space for you. If it's rainy outside, you can come inside, have a drink, play some cards, and visit very comfortably here in this space. Here we have the Webasto STC 2000. Very efficient way to heat your van. This runs off of your gas tank, and you can run this for about 22 hours off of just 1 gallon of gas. The control system is right here, and then right here is the ventilation where the heat will actually come out. So right here we have our queen bed. This is a 4-inch foam mattress, and this is 73.5 inches flare to flare, and then 60 inches wide. Up here we have our reading lights, which have 2 settings on them, and then also a USB charger underneath. And then up here in the corner we have some shelving for storing your phone, your glasses, or whatever you need next to you when you're sleeping. Right here we have our 4-speed max air fan. You can run that open and closed. If it's raining, it can still be running for air circulation. And then right here we have 2 upper cabinets with ample storage for all of your clothing and gear for when you're on the road. Behind this tweed, it's important to know that we have our Killmat sound deadening, which reduces noise when you're traveling on the road. And then also this van is well insulated with Havelock wool to keep you very warm. This is really an all-season van. We've camped in our vans in 20-degree weather and been really comfortable because of the insulation and then our Webasto heater. Here we have a 3,000 watt Renogy inverter. So this is your switch to turn on any of your electrical outlets to power things like your induction cooktop, hairdryer, anything that you want to run out of your electrical outlets. So throughout the van, we have our puck ceiling lights, 2 sets in the front, and then a switch right here to turn on the 2 sets in the back. So here we have our Fiamma awning, which extends your living space about 8 feet of coverage outside the van, and a great little table here to hold your drinks and appetizers after a hard day of playing on the trails. So now we're going to go through the components and what we call the garage portion of the van. First off, we have storage for 2 bikes. So this can fit an extra large mountain bike 2 right here. These Rocky mounts are also removable and adjustable for other types of bikes. Over here on the left, we have additional storage. We really love these cubbies to store our cycling shoes and our helmets, but really any sort of gear, it's great to store it back here and keep it out of the way until you need it. Here we have charging station for 2 USBs and then also a 12-volt charging port. Across here we have several hooks to hang various, your sports gear, towels that need to dry, all that good stuff. And then above our freshwater tank, we have quite a bit of storage in here as well. This is a 32-gallon freshwater tank, and that is how you get water for both the outdoor shower and then the sink. And it is heated by a 4.5-gallon Bosch hot water heater. Right here we have, this is our gear sprayer and also your heated outdoor shower. Has several settings for showering. We also have a tent that you can set up for privacy. And it's great for also if you want to just clean off your gear at the end of a long ride or a long hike. So next we're going to go over the electrical components for the van. First we have our heated Battleborn batteries, 300 amp hours here. Up here we have the RedArc Manager 30. This is what manages all of the input of your power, which can be your solar power, shore power, or DC to DC charging. Up here we have the Renogy 3000 watt inverter, and in the back the RedArc distributor, which distributes your power throughout the vehicle. And then this small red unit back here is part of the WeBoost cell reception boosting system in the van. Here we have our Backwood Adventure Mod bumper with a Pathfinder light bar and fog lights. So here we have our Backwoods Adventure Mod ladder. This is how you access your solar panels, 320 watts. These are made by Overland Solar right here in Boise. And up here we also have our WeBoost antenna for the cell phone reception booster. Right here is our Backwoods Adventure Mod roof rack. We have the Toyo all-terrain tires, powder-coated wheels, the Van Compass 2.0 lift, which gives you additional clearance. A big part of why we build vans for our customers is because we personally love getting out. So we really designed this van to get you out on the road with as many features as possible to really enjoy your adventure. This van is for sale on our website, adventurelikevans.com.
You may have noticed that you can buy our ebook. Our ebook shows you how to build a van conversion. It has 190 pages of text, diagram, and images showing you various options of various systems. It also comes with 25 videos that show you hands-on how to do many parts of building a van. Also, we have a course. The course is really in-depth. It shows you everything from how to use basic tools all the way through to doing your gas, your water, and your electric installation. Not only that, but within the course, we support you hands-on in making your electrical specification. And you get to join a community of like-minded van builders who are building their vans at exactly the same time. Follow the links to find out more, and thanks for watching.